Today I am making a peanut butter and ginger mule. Where does the peanut butter come from, you ask? Skrewball peanut butter flavored whiskey. This is not something that I would ever typically buy. I'm not a big fan of flavored whiskeys. They are typically too sweet. This one comes directly from the Skrewball website, and I've tried this and it's quite delicious, so I'm going to share it with you. Skrewball. I've had this in a sour beer, and it emulates a peanut butter and jelly. Delicious. Mixing 10, and this is full of ice. So the website says 2 parts, but we're going to make that 2 ounces. And fortunately for you guys, I've done some of the legwork, and I know how, at least for my taste, I've perfected this this cocktail. Again, 2 parts, 2 ounces of that. Pomegranate juice. This says 1 to 2 parts. For me, it was very weak at 1 part, so I'm going to do, this is basically going to be a 1-to-1, 1 part of this to 1 part of Skrewball. Because the Skrewball is so peanut butter rich, I do in fact want to taste the jelly. So this is the jelly component. Now, lime juice. We're running low. We're probably going to do a bottle kill here, but this is going to be 1 ounce of lime juice. Oh, there's plenty. All good. Top on. And if I didn't say it before, there is ice in here. And we're going to give this a quick shake. And we're going to give this a strain into this glass. So it calls for topping it off with 4 parts, in this case 4 ounces. I'm going to say that looks like it's about 4 ounces. Is that a perfect 4 ounces or what? All right, spoonage. So this is already shaken, but I'm just going to give it a little stir just to get the ginger beer incorporated. You could pour the ginger beer in slowly and make it a layered drink, but I'm not. So there's that. There it is, peanut butter and ginger mule by Skrewball. Cheers. It's delicious. You still get every bit of the peanut butter. The higher percentage of pomegranate was absolutely necessary to get the jelly effect. This is a delicious cocktail. Go out and buy a bottle or a smaller bottle of this. Well worth it. Cheers.